Hello and welcome to a video where I'm going to show you guys how you can integrate ChatGPT with PowerPoint, how you can use ChatGPT to create PowerPoint slides as well. All right. So firstly, we're going to need some content, and I'm going to use not only PowerPoint, I'm also going to use Microsoft Word. And firstly, we're going to need a topic to create some slides. So here we have ChatGPT, and we're going to use ChatGPT to get our content. It's very easy. Just type in, I'm just going to type in, I want to create a slide, not just a slide, a PowerPoint slide about climate change. And not and, so I'm just going to ask, can you make me, not make me, just going to type in write me the contents of the slides. So press enter, and they're saying that sure, here it's taking a bit time here. Generally, if it takes a long time, then you could just refresh ChatGPT, but we have our content that is coming here. So it has the introduction, then all of the titles as well, and the contents. They're giving me all the contents as well. So they're making it much more easier. So if I go to PowerPoint and type it individually, it's gonna take a lot of time. So we're going to work on that as well, no problem. As soon as we get the content. So we have 5 topics here. It starts with the introduction and ends with the conclusion. All right, so these are the contents that we got. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply take all of these. I'm just going to copy all of the whole content here. Okay, so and then I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to go to the Microsoft Word. Okay, now in Microsoft Word, first we're going to go to first, when we open Microsoft Word, we're going to be here in the home. So we're going to go to first view, and in the view we have this outline option you can see here. So we're going to select this outline option. Now this interface has come up. All right, so now I'm just going to simply paste whatever content we had from here. You can see I copied these contents, and I'm just going to paste it in the Microsoft Word. Okay, just simply keep source formatting. Yeah, so you can see that this is it's not showing the content here. So I'm just going to select every single one of these content here, and I'm just going to delete them again, and then I'm just going to copy them again. Then this time I'm just going to merge formatting. Okay, you can see here we got our contents right here. All right, so now what I want to do here is I'm going to delete all of these numbers here to just keep all the titles. All right, so delete it. I've deleted this number, and then this one as well. Select the numbers and just delete them all together. All right, done. Okay, now I'm going to select all of these content. Simply just take them, just like that, select them, and you can see here these up here you can see they are all leveled as level 1. Okay, outlined as level 1. So I'm just gonna put them in level 2. All right, so now all of these content, all of these text, they are in level 2. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select only the titles. Okay, to do that I'm just going to select this introduction right here first, and then I'm going to press on control. Okay, let's press on control and then select all the remaining titles individually. You can see here all of the titles we can see here. Just press control and select them, and then this one as well. Be sure to press control because that's how you can actually select individually. Okay, so the end is conclusion. And now since all of these are selected, I'm just going to go back to the outline leveling, and then I'm just going to level them as number 1 just because they are all headings. That's why I leveled them as number 1. All right, so you can see here this one is merged, so I'm just going to keep a gap between this. All right, so done. Now we're going to I'm just going to close the outline view. Now we have our normal Microsoft Word view. Okay, so once we've done that, we can just simply, our work here is done actually. We can just simply save it. So I'm just going to save this as climate change slides. All right, just save it as it is. So it's being saved right now. You can see it's taking a bit time to save, but it's gonna be done. So now you can see that all of our content, it's saved in Microsoft Word as an outline page. So we're going to go to, since this is done, we're going to go to PowerPoint, and you can see here the PowerPoint is blank. And to go further, we need to close the Microsoft Word window here, or else we cannot import all the text that we saved to PowerPoint somehow. Okay, so in our slides or PowerPoint slides, we can't just add individually. We have to add all of them. Now to do that, we're going to use this new slide. We're going to select this new slide, and at the bottom you can see that it's written slides from outline. All right, and I'm going to select that, and we have our slides from outline over here saved. So we're going to select it. Now here is the outline slide that we saved earlier, climate change slides. So we're going to select it and then insert, and it might take a bit time because it's processing. All right, so now we have our slides over here. Right, so this is the introduction, and this is the causes of climate change, and all of them are here. Right, so we can actually see that this one is a bit out of text, so we're going to select it and we're going to copy this, and here it should be here. Right, so we're just going to paste it. We're just going to paste it like this. All right, okay, now that it's pasted, we're going to go back here and we're going to just delete this slide. All right, so now we have all of the slides are perfect. So it's not perfect because this looks like just a mediocre slide and it's not edited and at all. So the difficult part is done. So that's how you import or use ChatGPT to create contents for your PowerPoint. Now you can just simply edit them. To edit them, just go to design here. You can see here design, and there are like tons of designs that you can choose from. So if I want it like this or this or this or even this, I can do that. You can see here this one looks really good, so I'm going to select this one right here, and this applies for all the slides. But if you want, you can actually change the slides. Now if you are in a hurry and you just want some mediocre slides and you just want your slides to look decent, just choose one of these and then you can just save it. All right, so once you've saved presentation 1, no, so it's going to be climate change, and just click on save. It's going to be saved just as it is, and then you can just see the slides are working perfectly. Okay, so that's how you actually do this, you can implement ChatGPT to PowerPoint like that. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you guys, and please practice at home. I hope you guys can create better slides than this one, and please practice at home as well. Okay, so have a nice day.